Hi everyone. You know when you get little Easter baskets and there's candy or jelly beans strewn about and they look so beautiful, but then you try to eat a piece and it's kind of melty and you're pulling off Easter grass? Yeah, let's not do that. We have something better, and it's adorable. It's this, and I'd like to make it together. So stick around. Thanks. So this is super easy. You may already know what I'm doing, and that's okay, but it's so cute and it looks like a little flower, and I just think it's perfect for Easter. So I wanted to make some. So all we're doing here is that little curled edge at the top of the drinking cup. It's very easy to get a straight line. We're just cutting that off. But I have to tell you, I'm not good at throwing things away. And when I see this, I think, boy, that's going to end up as a miniature wreath on a little sign or something. I can't throw it away. I'm not good at that. So it may sit for a year before I use it, but it will find its way into something. So here, all we're doing is cutting about ½ inch wide to a 1/4 inch wide. It's not essential that you're, on target on your measurements. And we're going to cut about 1/3 of the way down the cup. And this works whether it's a little bathroom style cup or a little trinket gift, one of our worry dolls. That would be cute. I just thought of that. Put one of the little worry dolls in there. Or if it's one of the big, party cups, it works exactly the same way. And what you do is you cut about 1/3 way down, and you can see as I'm folding the flaps down, I'm pinching, and that's just so they don't pop right back up again. It's super easy. This is a great project to do with kids too. That would be fun. Now, I will say this will hold together by itself, but it's not super secure. So if you wanted to add a little tape, a ribbon, tie it off with some pretty string, that would be adorable too. So here's how it looks. Filled with candy. Turn the flaps down. And we've used this for lots of other things, earrings, great last minute, and it does not look like a cup. Look at that. Isn't that charming? You may have made these before. They're super easy. And here we're just giving you the idea. When you're home, you can pretty this up better, but we're just trying to give you the idea. And we think it looks great. I hope you liked it. I want to say thank you to everyone for watching. Please comment to us if there's any projects you want us to do, and definitely comment any projects you've done because we want to hear it. Thanks so much.